Hello, we're fixing everything, and because there is always something to fix, I want to show you today how to fix in the window motor assembly guidance, whatever it's called. Yeah, I have it in the up position at the moment, yeah, all the way up, so the window is all the way up as well. This one is used, so we got one on here, one rivet, and you need some rivets as well. These are, I think, 6 millimeters, so I only have 4 millimeters, so let's hope it's going to work. Now this is the guidance pin, and the rail for the guidance is right here, so I'll try to get it in, and you can't see nothing, but neither do I, so sounds like a deal. Yeah, I can see it's guiding now, and let's put at least one. There, I don't know if you see, but there is a pin right here and on the other side, and there we go, 20. Now it's a bit tricky, I will tell you that, but it should happen. So push up and I'll feed the rivet in. There we go, that's one. Cool. Really don't know where's the other one. Is it here? Oh yes, there we go. So that's the third one. Here. And for the other two. One. Three. That's 5 in total. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to show it working. As you can see, it's laid on the side of my garage. So. There we go. One. I'll do that on the bottom first, maybe. Okay, and then fourth one here on the top. And we need just one on the side here somewhere. Oh, it feels very solid. Oh, that's it. That's the installation of the window mechanism. Hope this video has been helpful to you, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.